Hi, we're going to talk about growing your YouTube channel organically. Is it possible that you can actually do that in 2021 to 2022? Well, we're going to find out. Here's 3 tips. If you're starting a YouTube channel in 2021 to 2022, I've got 3 tips for you. First tip is to make sure you know what content that you're going to actually live with. And what I mean by that is, if I was a subscriber and I went on your channel and I found a video, especially how the different algorithm works now on YouTube, and I found out that you were talking about microphones, and then I went to click on your channel and all of a sudden you had lights and you had radiators and you had, I don't know, eating food. Yes, I do like to eat food, but would it be the sort of thing that I subscribe to? Because I actually subscribed because I saw microphones, but then I checked out your channel and you had all other different stuff, and it becomes very confusing. So to grow your channel organically, you need to become one with yourself. You just need to figure out what content and niche that you want to do. And obviously look around and see if other people are doing it, and see if you can make your channel stand out from the crowd. And that means that you have to delve inside yourself and find out your creative. Well, I don't know if you're creative. If you're not creative, you need to go. You can't be on this channel. But anyway, you need to find out if you've got creativity in you, because if you have, there's going to be no problem, because you should be able to overcome this, and you can watch other people's videos, get inspiration or inspired by them, and then kind of make your own spin on it. And when you do that, that means you can have your own community of people looking at your videos. That's 1 tip so far. Tip number 2. So basically, everyone is on the platform. There's like billions of people on the platform of YouTube. So you got to think that they've got a lot of subscriptions to other talented people on the platform. So that means that to get your creativity mind out there, or whatever you want to speak about, and get it to eyeballs on the actual screen visually, you need to be becoming very creative. And videos don't need to be super clean and perfect, but they need to be perfect in a way, like audio. If audio is perfect and the video is a little bit it's not too bad. But if the video is and the audio is it's not going to be doing very well, I can guarantee you. And it's the same as having a website that you have on Google. If your website is very clean and it's got hardly any bugs in it, because obviously loads of people find problems with your website and you're always updating it, it means that Google is not going to be showing it that often, and it will kind of rank it down. Same thing happens on YouTube. Tip number 3, do not worry about the algorithm. And why I say that is because the algorithm changes all the time. We can adapt to the algorithm, but if you're just starting in 2021 and 2022, then it means that you should just be getting all your content out. Get 10 videos out at least, so your videos look a bit compact on the actual platform, and people can kind of search for it and see where they can differentiate, whether like they should subscribe or not subscribe, or drop you a like or drop a comment. And there's different age groups that need to get involved as well. Like certain people need to be able to like. So if you talk about kids will like your video, they'll comment like mad, and they'll spam your actual videos. That builds up the algorithm. But also you can't do videos for kids, because when you do videos for kids, you don't get paid, because you don't get monetized anymore. So if you want to get monetized, then it has to be not for kids. So confusing. So you have to work out whether you really want to get paid in the future, and not like an overday sort of session, because when you do YouTube, it's an ongoing thing and it's really hard. It's not a 9 to 5. It's more like all the time. So you can do a video and it takes you 5 hours, but then you still got 5 hours of looking and seeing if your video's peaking, whether your titles are done right in the description, your meta tags, your hashtags, and things. Some things don't mean anything anymore, and some things do, and the algorithm is just not worth doing it right now. What it is, the most important thing if you're starting out, is to get as many videos as you can out, so 10 videos, and then kind of improve the quality of your content and your niche as you go along, because people will, it will show. If you're getting loads of dislikes, or that's another one, the dislike button is kind of disabled at the moment on YouTube, so it's going to be quite hard, but then it might show people liking your videos, and your videos will go up, but then people might comment about it and say it's not good. So if people won't be able to see the dislike button. They'll go to the comments and then write stuff. So you got to have kind of a strong sort of mind about it. But it's just like kids or keyboard warriors or anything like that when you're starting out. But at the end of the day, you just carry on and you keep doing your content, because someone's going to enjoy your content. And the 10 subscribers you might have, you do that to the 10 subscribers you might have, because in turn they will obviously start sharing the content and they'll be loyal to you and they'll stay subscribed to you. Imagine having that in turn as 1,000 people that have been loyal to you because you kept doing the same content over and over again and people enjoyed it. If they don't like it, they will just tell you they don't like it. As simple as that. All you need to do is worry about the content that you're going to be producing.